All right, guys. On this one, I know say the petition we consign Natasha so we submit yesterday. You know, the problem now be say the house, another chief whip or whip ship, don't talk now say lie that the petition is defective and is deceptive. They use all kind of words to rule out this petition. As we talk, so the petition have been ruled out, although pending challenged by Natasha. My people, my concern now be say, why are they ruling out this petition? They say no, Natasha doesn't have the right to submit petition by herself. Who can submit her now? Papa, be mama. You don't understand. They always mute her. They don't want her to speak what is happening. My people, listen to the whip ship. Sorry, ship whip. You know, or chief whip. What you want to talk concerning this petition where Natasha submit, and also listen to the response of Natasha.
Petition was granted by Akpabio. A move the chief whip Mohammed Monguno quickly countered that Natasha's petition was defective, as the matter was already in court, and that the petition violated Senate standing order that no senator can submit a petition on his or her own behalf.
We gave ourselves these rules in order to regulate our proceedings. Any deviation from these rules in guiding our proceedings is an invitation to chaos and anarchy. And as such, the Senate will jealously stamp its feet with a view to jealously guarding and protecting the sacred provisions of our rules.
Oti Duanga's voice rose louder in protest.
On privileges, please. I believe, and please, would you stop turning off my microphone? I represent people, and I represent women who have been silenced.
See, my people, this matter, it go long. You know why it go long? Because it looks like there's something the Senate body, majority of them, as you and I already know, that these people, they are trying to suppress Natasha not to speak, or I don't understand what they're trying to do. We understand that this whole thing is still based on allegation, allegedly and all that, accusing the Senate president of allegedly sexually harassed or rather harassing Natasha Akpoti. We understand all these things based on allegedly right now, allegation. But the investigation is what Nigerians want to know. That is my concern, and I believe that is the concern of the concerned Nigerians in Nigeria and outside Nigeria at this particular moment. Now, a petition is about to be ruled out. The case where they say they court, Natasha explained to us yesterday that the case of the sexual harassment is not what is in court. That the case that's in court is a different thing entirely. So, my people, what is your take on this? I thought we should report it. You know, say Senate President begged us yesterday, make we take him easy on him. And so we are just reporting it the way it's supposed to be. We are not here to lambast on anybody. Make we take him until we get the final judgment from the court. Leave it on the comment section. NAIJA Watch Media. Thank you very much for watching.